Welcome to IoT, Internet of Things, presented by M. Jamuna Rani, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now, we will going to know about the definition of IoT. The Internet of Things IoT is a scenario in which objects or people are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer the data automatically over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. In this, we can see the different objects that are the mobile phones, laptops, cars, cameras, home or industries can access the network with the use of IoT. Now we will see the examples of IoT. The first one is smart home. The second one wearable devices. The third one is smart cities. The fourth one connected car and smart barcode reader. The last one is connected healthcare system. Then in this we can understand about the different types of IoT applications in various industries. The first one is energy engagement. In energy engagement, grid automation and wireless grid communication are done by the use of IoT. And wearables also smartwatches, fitness and activity monitoring. In home appliances, refrigerator, coffee maker, air conditioner, water heater are all done by IoT. Then agriculture, cars, smart manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and smart homes are all done by IoT. Now we are going to know about the enabling technologies of IoT. There are five enabling technologies in IoT. The first one is wireless sensor network. The second one, cloud computing. The third one is big data analytics. The fourth one is communications protocols. And the fifth one is embedded system. The first enabling technology is wireless sensor network. It is denoted as WSN. A WSN comprises distributed devices with sensors which are used to monitor the environmental and physical conditions. A wireless sensor network consists of end nodes, routers, and coordinators. There are some examples in this. The first one is weather monitoring system. In weather monitoring system, it is used to detect, record and display various weather parameters such as temperature and humidity. The second one is indoor air quality monitoring system. In this, the special tool will be used called VOC sensor. It is used to measure the concentration of VOC in air. VOC means volatile organic compound. The third one is soil moisture monitoring system. It provides water status of soil. It helps us to plan when to irrigate and how much water to apply. The fourth one is health monitoring system. It helps to know about activities of the system is in operation condition. And fifth one is surveillance system. It is composed of a system of cameras, monitors or display units and recorders. This is the image representation of the explained examples. In this diagram, we can see the multiple types of wireless sensor users such as lights, remote controls, health monitoring. These are. The second enabling technology is cloud computing. It is denoted as CC. The CC provides us the means by which we can access applications as utilities over the network. Cloud means something which is present in remote locations. The characteristics. The first one is broad network access. The second one, on demand self services. Third one is rapid scalability. Fourth one, measured services. Fifth one is pay per use. In this diagram, we can see the integration of cloud computing and Internet of Things, electronic devices and wearables, home automation, smart city, industrial transportation and environment or healthcare. These are all done by the cloud computing. Already we know that the different services are there. The first one is IaaS. It is denoted as infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides online services such as physical machines, virtual machines, servers, networking, storage, and data center space on a pay per use basis. For example, web hosting and virtual machines are there. The second one is PaaS, Platform as a Service, provides a cloud based environment with a very thing required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering best web based cloud applications. For example, Application Cloud and Google App Engine. The third one is SaaS, Software as a Service. It is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. For example, Google Documents, Gmail, Office, etc. The third enabling technology is big data analytics. It refers to the method of studying massive volumes of data or big data. Collection of data whose volume, velocity, or variety is simply too massive and tough to store, control, process, and examine the data using traditional databases. Several steps are involved in this. The first one is data cleaning. The data cleaning is a process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, incorrectly formatted, duplicate or inc- in, duplicate or incomplete data within a dataset. The second one is munging. It is a process of manipulate, that is raw data, especially to convert the data from one format to another format. The third one is processing. It is the act or process of treating or preparing something by a special method. The last one is visualization. It is a representation of an object, situation, or set of information as a chart or other image. The examples of big data analytics are bank transactions, data generated by IoT systems for location and tracking of vehicles, e-commerce and in big basket, health and fitness data generated by IoT systems such as a fitness bands. It is the example of big data, smart buildings, smart cities, smart factories, smart transport, smart healthcare, smart consumers are the examples of big data. The next one is communications protocol. They are the backbone of IoT systems and enables network connectivity and linking to the applications. Communication protocols allow devices to exchange the data over the network. Multiple protocols often describe different aspects of a single communications. They are used in data encoding and addressing schemes. It is the small example of IoT communication protocol. From the beginning, communication is done by one to one and then go for Wi-Fi and satellite communications are done. Then Bluetooth is coming. Then NFC and RFID are now using. The last enabling technology is embedded systems. It is a combination of hardware and software used to perform special tasks. It includes microcontroller and microprocessor memory, networking units, Ethernet Wi-Fi adapters, input-output units, display keyword, etc., and storage devices, flash memory. It collects the data and sends it to the internet. For examples, the first one is digital camera. The second one, DVD player and music player. The third one is industrial robots. The fourth one is wireless routers and etc. It is the example of embedded and IoT solutions. It is connecting the intelligent world from devices to the cloud. The digital signage, cloud storage, digital surveillance, communications and networking, retail sales, medical imaging, industrial automation are done by embedded Internet of Things. Thank you.